Hey MDC, my name is Celine Ulloa and this is Campus Talk at Wolfson Campus. Hi Dr. Gonzalez, how are you doing today?
Great to see you again. How are you doing?
So this is Dr. Beatriz Gonzalez, our campus president. So what does a president do here at Wolfson Campus?
Well, I think ultimately my main responsibility is to create an environment where everybody could do great work, whether that's students, the staff, or the faculty. I think that's my main job. So hopefully provide direction and inspiration, but also more than anything, get rid of the obstacles that are in their way so that all those superstars can do their great work.
It's a pleasure to have you here today. So could you start by giving us a glimpse into the captivating history of the Wolfson campus and where it stands today?
Thank you so much for that question. I'm so proud of the Wolfson campus, as I know you are too.
Yes.
The Wolfson campus began in 1970 just in storefronts here in downtown Miami, and today it's over 12 buildings. Beautiful historic buildings and modern architecture. Here at Wolfson Campus, we are at the heart of it all. Here in the center of tech and finance, arts and culture, we're here near the seat of government, so it really creates a very exciting and vibrant place to go to school. The other thing we talk about here at Wolfson Campus is placemaking. We want to make it a great place to work, to learn, and to enjoy what the city of Miami has because we're so close to it right here at the heart of it all. Wolfson Campus also has great programs. Our biggest program is business, followed by STEM programs and psychology. But we also have wonderful boutique programs like MCI, the Culinary Institute, the Miami Fashion Institute. We have MAGIC, which is the Miami Animation Gaming International Complex, where students can study game applications and create them, or they can do animations. We also have a law center here, and this is a great place to study to be a paralegal or to do pre-law because we're surrounded by the courthouses. So it really makes it a great place to use the text, the city, as what we study. And so I think students really get an experience like no other if they study here at Wolfson Campus.
Okay, that's fantastic. So I've heard that the Freedom Tower is undergoing renovations. So could you give us a sneak peek of this amazing building and where we can expect the grand reopening?
The Freedom Tower is under renovations.
Yes.
It will reopen in 2025,
Oh, wow.
just in time for us to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Freedom Tower. So we will have many celebrations. We will remember the history of the tower. It was founded as a place for the newspaper, and eventually the federal government used it as a place where Cuban refugees were processed in the 60s up until 1974. And now we are fortunate that the Freedom Tower is part of MDC, part of Miami-Dade College, part of Cultural Affairs. You know, there's a wonderful museum in the Freedom Tower, and in 2025, we're going to have great celebrations to honor what this building means to Miamians and really to the country.
Wow, that's amazing news. Now let's move on to my favorite topic, campus events.
Sure.
So could you share with us some of the exciting events that are going on our campus right now?
Sure. Well, Wolfson Campus, like the other wonderful campuses of Miami-Dade College, have some of the same events. So there are job fairs and resource events and student dances. But we also have things that really make sense here at the heart of it all in downtown Miami. So we have tech fairs and tech networking for our students. We have hackathons. Something that we really all enjoy is Market and Movie Night, where we take over the plaza, and we will have over 60 tents out there with fresh produce and jewelry and clothes and handmade treats for your pet. We always have pet adoption, we have live music, and of course a movie, but it's a wonderful way for us to be part of the community. Community colleges are of and for the community, and so we really believe in opening our doors to people, just like we do with Jazz at Wolfson once a month, when wonderful artists from all over the world come to Wolfson Campus to play music. And so these are the things that we're trying to do to make it exciting. Exciting is the places around us, we're exciting here too, Wolfson Campus.
Yes, and can you share more about the Miami Book Fair that I know that is on November?
Yes, so Wolfson Campus is also home to the Miami Book Fair, and it's coming around in November. authors, again, from all over the world descend upon Miami. I think I've heard it said Miami is the smartest place in the world over that week and a half of the book fair. But again, besides what we do for the community through the book fair, it's really wonderful for our students to be able to meet authors, to speak to them, to talk about their process or the content of their book. And these are opportunities that students at the best universities in the country do not have. And here at Wolfson campus, again, we have artists from all over the world, creators, scientists, people who come here because they're trying to share their knowledge with the city, with government, with residents. And so we're able to take advantage of that for our faculty and for our students.
Yes, that's amazing. I had the opportunity to attend last year and it was an unforgettable experience.
It sure is.
And we will be talking with the director of the Miami Book Fair very, very soon. So thank you so much for your time, Dr.
Sure,
Gonzalez.
it's a pleasure.
And it was amazing. Thank you so much.